7386 Cobblefield. That is a school. This is a one-story. There is grass in the front and the back, but it's been very nicely landscaped. We would remove that satellite dish. So you have this screen door, tile here, oh, whoa. What? Okay, so this is drywall that we're looking at. I don't know what that is. There is actually a ceiling fan in here and windows. They look like, yeah, I'm not even gonna guess. Okay. Upgraded light. Oh, sorry. So sorry. You have to see the garage. It was so sorry. Oh, just a little jumpy. Okay, so this may be the neighbor's yard. I don't know. So I use a landscaper that charges $80 a month. Skylight. Definitely want to make sure the skylight doesn't have any leaks. It can be expensive to repair that. And we have this never-ending master here. Okay, flickering lights. This is such a small area for a washer and dryer. Okay, raised panel doors. That's always nice. And of course the carpet looks and feels new. Okay. Oh, and that's a broken window, and you would definitely want to get some sort of fan to cover the top window.